Ever wish your photos could do the cha-cha or sing like Elvis? Well, you're in luck because I found the perfect app for that, Photo Revive AI. But before you dive in, let's see if this app is more wow or womp womp. Stick around, I'm about to let you know if it's worth the download. So what exactly is Photo Revive AI? It's a fun app that reanimates your photos and makes your face or your pet's face dance. Yes, you heard me right. Your dog could be twerking to a pop song, but does it actually work or is it just another gimmick? Let's break it down. First off, the app lets you upload your pictures and give them a whole new life, literally. From lip syncing to your favorite celebrities to turning your selfie into a dancing cartoon. It's packed with features to make your photos the life of the party. Want to bring your cat into the meme world? You can do that too. And oh, it has all these cool filters for every season. Christmas, Halloween, you name it. But here's the deal, while the app is fun, the quality can be hit or miss. Some of the animations are spot on, making your photos look lively and hilarious. Others, not so much. It's a bit like cooking. Sometimes you get the perfect dish and sometimes you burn the toast. But the good news is the app's constantly updating with new features, so there's hope for the future. So is Photo Revive AI legit or a scam? Well, it's definitely not a scam, but like that one friend who can't dance but insists on trying it. It's fun, but a little unpredictable. If you're looking to make your social media pop, or prank your friends with some quirky animations, this app's a solid choice. Just don't expect it to make your dog the next viral sensation overnight. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.